Ever dreamed of exploring the world on your own terms, with the ocean breeze as your companion and a new horizon every morning? If you're nodding yes, then you're in for a treat, because solo cruising in 2025 is about to become your favorite way to travel. Hello, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to CruiseAdventures. Today, we're diving deep into the art of solo cruising. Traveling alone can be one of the most liberating and empowering experiences you'll ever have. It's a chance to truly connect with yourself, meet fascinating people, and see the world without any compromises. But let's be real, the idea of stepping onto a massive cruise ship all by yourself can also feel a little daunting. Where do I sit at dinner? Is it safe? Will I get lonely? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've sailed solo multiple times and have learned all the secrets to making it an absolutely epic journey. So grab a notebook, because we're about to unpack 5 essential tips that will transform your solo cruise from just a vacation into the adventure of a lifetime. Let's start with our first and most crucial tip: choose your cruise line wisely. This is the foundation of your entire solo experience. Not all cruise lines are created equal when it comes to accommodating and celebrating solo travelers. Some lines are fantastic, rolling out the red carpet for independence, while others, well, they're more geared towards families and couples. For 2025, lines like Norwegian Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean, and Holland America are leading the charge for solo travelers. Norwegian, for example, pioneered the concept of studio staterooms. These are stylish, compact cabins designed and priced specifically for one person. Best of all, they come with exclusive access to the studio lounge, a private area where you can relax, grab a coffee or a drink, and mingle with other solo cruisers. It's an instant community. Royal Caribbean and Holland America are also expanding their single occupancy stateroom offerings and often have hosted solo traveler meets. Do your research. Look for ships with dedicated solo cabins to avoid the dreaded single supplement, which can sometimes double your fare. Check the daily itineraries from past sailings online to see if they offer solo get-togethers. Choosing a line that actively welcomes you will make you feel like a valued guest from the moment you step on board, not like a third wheel. All right, on to tip number 2, and this one is a game changer. Embrace the social scene, but on your own terms. The fear of loneliness is real, but a cruise ship is like a floating city full of potential new friends from all over the world. The key is to be open and strategic. The very first day is golden. Everyone is new and excited, so it's the perfect time to strike up conversations. Attend the solo traveler meet, which is usually held on the first or second night. It's a low-pressure environment where everyone is in the same boat, literally. Don't be shy. Introduce yourself, ask people where they're from, and what excursions they're excited about. Another great strategy is to sign up for group activities that you genuinely enjoy. Love to cook? Take a culinary class. Enjoy a good wine? Go to a wine tasting session? Into fitness? Join a morning yoga class on the deck. When you connect with people over a shared interest, conversations flow naturally and friendships can form effortlessly. And here's a pro tip for dining. You don't have to eat alone every night unless you want to. Most cruise lines offer traditional fixed-time dining where you can request to be seated at a large table with other passengers. It's a fantastic way to have guaranteed company and great conversation over dinner each evening. If you prefer more flexibility, you can still meet people in the specialty restaurants or even the buffet. Just find a friendly-looking group and ask, "Do you mind if I join you?" You'll be surprised how often the answer is a resounding, "Of course." Remember, you control your social meter. If you want solitude, you can have it. If you want company, it's right there for the taking. Now for tip number 3, and it's a big one. Prioritize your safety smartly. Traveling solo is incredibly safe, especially on a cruise ship, which is a controlled environment with extensive security. However, being a smart and aware traveler is always non-negotiable. First, let's talk about onboard safety. When you first get to your stateroom, familiarize yourself with your surroundings. Know where the emergency exits are and take the safety drills seriously. Keep your stateroom door locked at all times, just as you would in a hotel. When you're out and about on the ship, be mindful of your belongings. Don't leave your phone or wallet just sitting on a lounge chair by the pool while you go for a swim. When it comes to socializing, trust your gut. Cruise ships are full of wonderful people, but it's still wise to be cautious. Be friendly, but be mindful about oversharing personal information with people you've just met. When you're in port, the same rules apply. Stick to well-populated areas, especially if you're exploring on your own. Booking shore excursions directly through the cruise line is often the safest bet, as they vet the tour operators and guarantee you'll be back to the ship on time. If you do venture out independently, research your destination beforehand. Let a friend or family member back home know your itinerary. And a simple but effective tip: always have your ship's daily planner with you, which lists the port agent's contact information and the all-aboard time. It's your lifeline back to the ship. Being prepared doesn't mean being paranoid. It means being empowered to explore with confidence. Moving on to tip number 4, which is all about maximizing your freedom. Plan for you, time, and spontaneity. One of the absolute best parts of solo travel is that you are the captain of your own schedule. There's no need to compromise, no one to negotiate with about what to do next. Want to sleep in and order room service for breakfast? Do it. Feel like spending the entire day reading a book by the adult-only pool with a pina colada in hand? Go for it. Want to try your luck at the casino, see a Broadway-style show, and then dance the night away at the silent disco, all in one night? You can. This is your vacation. Before your cruise, make a loose list of things you do love to do. Maybe as a spa treatment, you want to book a specialty restaurant you want to try or a shore excursion you're dying to go on. Book those must-do items in advance, especially things that fill up quickly. But, and this is important, leave plenty of room in your schedule for spontaneity. Some of the best moments happen when you least expect them. Maybe you strike up a conversation with someone who invites you to join them for a trivia game, or you'll discover a quiet hidden deck at the front of the ship that becomes your personal secret spot for watching the sunset. Don't overschedule yourself. Give yourself the gift of flexibility. This trip is about reconnecting with yourself and doing whatever makes you happy in the moment. So go ahead, be selfish with your time. You've earned it. And finally, we've arrived at tip number 5. Master the art of dining alone and loving it. For many aspiring solo travelers, the thought of walking into a dining room and saying, "Table for one, please," is the single biggest fear. But I'm here to tell you it can be one of the most empowering and enjoyable parts of your trip. First, reframe your mindset. You are not alone. You are independently dining. You're a sophisticated world traveler savoring a meal. Bring a book, your journal, or just your phone to catch up on photos from the day. It gives you something to focus on and signals to others that you're perfectly content. Better yet, try leaving the book behind and just be present. Watch the ocean go by, people watch, and savor every bite of your food without distraction. Talk to your waiters. They are often from fascinating parts of the world and have incredible stories to share. Learning their name and asking about their home can lead to wonderful conversations, and, bonus, often results in extra attentive service. If you're feeling social, head to the sushi or noodle bar where bar-style seating encourage conversation with your neighbors. And don't forget room service. There is absolutely nothing wrong with enjoying a delicious meal in the comfort and privacy of your own stateroom, perhaps even on your balcony while watching the waves. The freedom to choose is yours. Whether you're at a table for 8, a bar seat for 1, or dining solo with an ocean view, own it with confidence. So there you have it, 5 essential tips to make your 2025 solo cruise an absolutely unforgettable adventure. Choose a solo-friendly cruise line, embrace the social opportunities, prioritize your safety, plan for both structure and spontaneity, and master the art of dining on your own terms. Traveling solo isn't about being alone, it's about being free. It's a chance to prove to yourself just how capable, resilient, and adventurous you truly are. The world is waiting for you, and there's no better way to see it than from the deck of a cruise ship, with the freedom to chart your own course. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more cruising tips and tricks from CruiseAdventures. Have you ever been on a solo cruise? Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy and safe travels.